Greetings, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez. Here at Grok Trade, it's Tuesday, April 26, 2011, and the markets move up big. We have triple digits, up 115 points on the Dow, up 0.93%, about the same here on the S&P. NASDAQ lagging the group, only up 0.77%. Russell's leading the group, up 1.04%. Banks doing better than that at 1.18% in the green. So the financials very strong. VIX down, but not by much, only 1.14%. Gold, dollar, and also crude drop. The commodities did take a hit again today, but transportation index doing exceptionally well, up 1.85%. This is 2 days in a row. It's been making a significant run. Watch that index. And as far as the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow is concerned, they hit 2011 highs today. Not too shabby. We have the Fed. They were doing some talks, and they really showed us no plans of them backing off their massive support for, towards this economic recovery that they've been pushing our way. Speaking of that, Mr. Ben Bernanke and the Fed boys are doing something unprecedented tomorrow, Wednesday. And they are, for the first time ever, Ben will be the first chairman to hold a public press conference with reporters. And that's going to happen tomorrow, Wednesday at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. All ears will be on that, or all eyes will be on it, but all ears will be listening. And this is a big experiment. This one will probably capture Wall Street's attention. We'll be watching this, and it'd be really interesting to see how that goes. And the words that he says and how those will be digested amongst the bulls and the bears amongst us. So interesting. Anyway, yesterday's big news was the IMF, International Monetary Fund, quote says, "The age of America is coming to an end," end of quote there, and it's going to happen in 2016. And anyway, here we are looking at the let's go here to the S&P. The S&P, big run up, popping major resistance points. Man, we were watching this. Boom! Popped right over the highs here. Nice run. I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to go to the futures. Today's run was on nothing volume. Look at that. Nothing volume. So the worth of this move was zilch. I'll tell you, stick a fork in it. If this was a significant move to the upside, you would have had huge volume rolling into this, but I think this is a sucker's rally right now, and you'll see this a lot before significant downturns in the market. And it wouldn't surprise me to see tomorrow start off on very shaky ground and start to drop, and then the markets bounce after Ben Bernanke comes out, sharing and blowing sunshine amongst all of us. So, anyway, let's go here to the S&P and look at this. Nonetheless, did make a higher high, higher low. So those reversal patterns that we were looking at yesterday, the tweezer top, the bearish harami, hanging man, stick a fork in it, meant nothing. We go blasting through all this resistance points. Very nice to see. And if we do get another pop tomorrow, I'm looking at 1353 as a resistance point, and absolutely probably no higher than 1357. But again, it wouldn't surprise me to see this pop actually fade away to nothing. So this breakout could be a fake out just because of the lack of volume that's coming in. However, we still remain this upper leg. We're making a higher high from this swing to a higher area, and we do remain in the rising wedge. So for me, believe it or not, I am still holding on to my July VIX calls. And I'm feeling some heat on those right now, but I have plenty of time, obviously. July is a long time from now. and I'm in cash for the most part. I'm holding 1 or 2 longs, but that's it. A lot of cash right now because we are way overextended, overbought territory. I think the risk is significant to bulls right now, and I just want to be very careful doing any swing trading or investment trading at this stage, but definitely day trading. There's a lot of great opportunities intraday, as those in our chat room know, on a very regular basis. So anyway, take care and safe trading, and hopefully you've had a chance to go through all the 101s and getting plugged into the 201 courses.